the previous lecture, we have seen how to find the factor of the quadratic trinomial ax square plus bx plus c. Now today we are going to see how to find the factors of the algebraic expression of the form a cube plus b cube. Now we know that the expansion formula for a plus b the whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Interchange the left hand side and the right hand side. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube. I have interchanged the left hand side and the right hand side. A cube plus. Now take both these terms, 3a square b and 3ab square. Now in both the term, 3ab is common. So here, or if you want, you can check 3a square b is 3 into a into b. And 3ab square is 3 into a into b into b. So 3 is common. 3 is common. A is common and b is common. So 3ab is common. So I have taken 3ab outside. Now in the first term only a is left plus, and in the second term b is equal to a plus b the whole cube. I have left one term plus b cube. Now since I need to find the factor of a cube plus b cube, I'll keep the term a cube and b cube on the left hand side and take the term 3ab into a plus b on the right hand side, to the right hand side. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube. Here it is plus. So when it is shifted from the left hand side to the right hand side, the sign of the term 3ab into a plus b will change. So it becomes minus. If it is minus on the left hand side, it becomes plus on the right hand side. But here, since it is my plus, it becomes minus on the right hand side. Therefore, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. Law of indices, a plus b the whole cube is a plus b into a plus b the whole square minus 3ab a plus b. Law of indices, you know, law of indices, a raised to m plus n is equal to a raised to m into a raised to n. Therefore, a cube plus b cube is equal to, now in both the term, a plus b is common. So take a plus b common. Here we have a plus b the whole square minus 3ab. This is equal to a plus b the whole, a plus b. Now the expansion formula for a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. This is equal to a plus b, a square. Now the term 2ab and 3ab are called like terms. Now what are like terms? Like terms are those terms which have the same variable and the power of the variable are also same. For example, take the variable 2xy and 4xy. Take the terms 2xy and 4xy. Now here both the terms have the same variable x and y, and the power of the variable is also same. Here the power of the variable x is 1, here also it is 1. Here the power of the variable y is 1, here also it is 1. Even though the coefficient differ, both the terms are called the like terms. because for like terms the variable should be same and the power of the variable should be same. The coefficient can be any number. So here in this case, the variable for both the terms are a and b, and the power of the variable is also same. So that means both the terms are like terms, and we can add and subtract the like terms. Now how to subtract 2ab and 3ab? Keep the variable as it is in the answer, 2 minus 3. Now here you are subtracting a smaller number from a bigger number. So you subtract in the usual manner. 3 minus 2 is 1 AB, and put the sign of the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 3 and the sign of the bigger number is minus. So the answer is minus AB. A square minus AB plus B square. So that means the factor for a cube plus b cube are a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. So for all the algebraic expression of the form a cube plus b cube, the factors are a plus b and a square minus ab plus b square. Practice set 6.2. Factorize x cube plus 64y cube. Now in order to apply the previous formula, this expression should be of the form a cube plus b cube. In other words, we have to write both the term as a cube of some other term. X cube is x the whole cube, 64y cube. Now 64 is a cube of 4 and y cube is a cube of y. Now you can check by law of indices. We know that ab the whole raised to m is a raised to m into b raised to m. So 4y the whole cube is 4 cube y cube. 4 cube is 64 y cube. So we are getting the above answer 64 y cube. So now here a is x and b is 4y. Substitute a is equal to x and b is equal to 4y in the expansion a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So in this expansion, replace a by x and b by 4y. A is x cube plus b is 4y the whole cube is equal to a is x plus 4y x plus 4y bracket complete. A square means x square minus a into b. A is x into b is 4y plus bracket 4y the whole square. Whenever there is coefficient multiplied by variable, you have to put it in bracket and then square, because this square goes to both the coefficient and the variable. So now this is equal to, therefore x cube plus 64y cube is equal to x plus 4y as it is, because we cannot add both the terms as both the terms are unlike terms. X square minus, we can multiply unlike term, x into 4y is 4xy. Always write the coefficient and then the variable. Plus law of indices, the same formula, 4y the whole square is 4 square, that is 16, and y square. So that means the factor of x cube plus 64y cube are x plus 4y and x square minus 4xy plus 16y square. Second question, factorize 125p cube plus q cube. So first we write this algebraic expression in the form a cube plus b cube. 125 is a cube of 5, p the whole cube plus q cube is a cube of q. So now using the formula, this is equal to, you can write, substitute a is equal to 5p and b is equal to q in a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So make the substitution. A is 5p. Since it is coefficient into variable, we put it in bracket and then cube outside. Plus b has only one term, so we write q cube is equal to a is 5p plus q. A is 5p, coefficient into variable, so put a bracket and then square outside, minus a is 5p into q plus q square. 5p the whole cube is law of indices, 5 cube 125 p cube plus q cube is equal to 5p plus q. This will not add up because both are unlike terms. Law of indices, 5 square is 25 p square minus, you can multiply unlike terms, 5p into q is, first write the coefficient and then the variable, plus q square. Now here we cannot add and subtract these terms because all the three terms are unlike terms. So the factors to the algebraic expression 125p cube plus q cubes are 5p plus q and 25p square minus 5p q plus q square. The next question is third one, 125k cube plus 27m cube. So first write it in the form a cube plus b cube. 5 cube is 125 and k cube is k cube, and put a bracket and cube outside, plus 3 cube is 27 and m cube is m cube. 25k the whole cube is 125k cube by law of indices. 3m the whole cube is 27m cube by law of indices. So now a is 5k and b is 3m. So therefore 125k cube plus 27 m cube. I am directly using the formula. In place of a substitute 5k and in place of b substitute 3m. 5k plus 3m square bracket a square. A has coefficient into variable, so put a bracket 5k and then square outside, minus a into b, that is 5k into 3m plus b square. B also has coefficient into variable, so put a square bracket 3m and square outside. Therefore 125k cube plus 27m cube is equal to 5k plus 3m, as it is addition of two unlike terms. Law of indices, 5 square is 25, k square minus, now how to multiply this unlike term? Both are unlike term. So you first multiply the coefficient. 5 into 3 is 15, k into m as it is, plus law of indices, 3 square is 9, m square. So that means the coefficient, the factors of 125k cube plus 27n cube are 5k plus 3m and 25k square minus 12km plus 9m square. So first you write the algebraic expression in the form a cube plus b cube. For that, the first term 125k cube is a cube of 5k and the second term 27m cube is the cube of 3m. So now a is 5k and b is 3m. So I am directly using the formula. Therefore, 125k cube plus 27m cube is, use the formula a plus b 5k plus 3m into 5 a square. A is 5k, so 5k the whole square. Since the term has coefficient and the variable, we put a square bracket and then the square outside, minus a into b plus b square. Then 5k plus 3m, both are unlike terms, so we cannot add the unlike term, we keep it as it is and use law of indices for 5k the whole square. 5 square is 25, k square minus, now here it is multiplication of unlike terms. Multiply the coefficient, 5 into 3 is 15 and keep the variable as it is, plus law of indices, 3 square is 9, m square.